I'm Steve Wolven, Joint Managing Director of Miller's Oils. Today we welcomed His Royal Highness the Duke of Kent to visit Miller's Oils. So the purpose of his visit was to commemorate the Queen's Award that we won for international trade in 2012.
And we're very proud of the fact that we've achieved this award. We've always exported, but recently we've put a lot more effort into it, and that's been recognised by the Queen's Award, and we're delighted to welcome the Duke here today.
He understood that we were very involved with the automotive and the motorsport side of the business, which he has a keen interest in himself. So he was met by a receiving party which included members of the export sales team who really made the award happen. Accompanying the Duke of Kent, there was the Lady Lieutenant of Yorkshire, Dr. Ingrid Roscoe. We had some old and new pictures that we shared with him just to show him the transformation that we've made through significant investment over the previous years.
Winning the Queen's Award for Miller's has been a significant step. It's improved our profile overseas considerably, and in fact only last month we hit a peak, a record month for export sales. I think that speaks for itself.
We had a tour of the R&D facility. This is a new R&D centre that we invested over £500,000 in, and it was opened in 2012. He was shown around some of the very, very high-tech machinery that allows us to develop our products, to test our products, and to move the business forward with some fantastic initiatives and innovation. The key bits of equipment that visitors are very interested in are the oil analysis pieces of equipment. This enables us to do a blood test on our own oil or on competitors' oil, and it enables us to really see what's going on inside the oil formulation.
You can lubricate this so well.
Yes.
Absolutely no wear at all.
I'm from an engineering background, and that to me is as good as it gets.
Yeah, you'd think it was impossible.
You would. Yes, it's a fantastic result.
And when Dr. Ingrid Roscoe was accompanying His Royal Highness on the tour of the R&D centre, she was very interested in other people in the R&D centre, what their roles were and how they made a difference to the products that we develop. So we really have a high degree of expertise in the R&D centre that enables us to really push the boundaries of lubricant development and performance. We showed him a lot today, but we made sure that we didn't send him away with enough information to start up his own oil blending facility.
So having shown the Royal Party the R&D labs, we then brought them down into the production facilities, and Jamie Ryan, our operations director, took the Royal Party through really sort of in reverse, starting with the filling area. And the Royal Party saw the large bulk filling area, which we've invested heavily in over the last 2 or 3 years, and then into a very innovative area where we fill small packs. With over 3,000 individual products, we need to be able to change very quickly from one product to another, and traditional filling machines don't allow you to do this. We've come up with something that's much lighter on its feet, can be changed in 1/10 of the time, and wastes a fraction of the oil that the larger machines use. Then we showed the Duke our automated production facility. This is something that we've developed with a software company, but we've had a large input into its design and the way it functions. And it enables us to control precisely the blend elements, the timings, the temperatures, the order, and to control the quality. One thing that the Duke was particularly keen to see was the fact that we test 100% of the batches that we manufacture. We don't sample, we test everything we manufacture. And that's an important process for us. It was evident that His Royal Highness was very impressed with what he saw in regard to the quality of the lubricants, and of course he realised the importance of getting it right first time, every time.
So then we introduced His Royal Highness to some select customers and suppliers that we had invited here today. So we invited guests from each of our 4 business areas: industrial, commercial vehicle, motorsport and classic, and automotive. And it was essential to get a wide selection of customers to represent the businesses that we're dealing with. I was really delighted that he took time to spend chatting to each of our guests. It really made the day a special occasion. So finally, we then unveiled the commemorative plaque to mark today's visit from His Royal Highness the Duke of Kent, and he took the time afterwards to say a few words to really congratulate Miller's Oils on our achievements and how wonderful it is to see a business that's thriving and really moving forward with innovation and in a way that everyone gets involved and included in the business.
I'd like to congratulate everybody here. I know you won this Queen's Award last year, and it was presented quite recently. And it's a great mark of success for any company to achieve a Queen's Award, so well done everybody. I wish you all great success for the future.
So was it all worth it? A lot of effort goes into putting these events together, and it was certainly was. Now that the Royal Party's gone, we're left with a great feeling. Everybody's got a smile on their face. And it was also great to be able to bring people in from outside. Obviously we had customers along to meet the Duke, and they were able to see afterwards just what goes into manufacturing oil, and the care and precision that we take, the consistency, the reliability. And I think they've been left with a distinct feeling that oil is not just oil.
It's always been our philosophy to be as good at the end of the season as you can be at the beginning.
As a director of Miller's Oils, I get to go and see customers and people who use our products on a routine basis. But I think an event like this gives our staff real pride in what they do. It makes them realise how important the products that we manufacture really are.
So for us and our people, this is a really important day and a motivating event that will be remembered for a long, long time.